I'm meteorologist Laura Thomas. Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. Pretty nice but hot 4th of July across the valley and much of the state. Did have a few of those showers and thunderstorms once again across southern Pima County. Tonight they will diminish, and as you look at the futurecast with me tomorrow, still a slight chance for a few spotty showers or storms out through the White Mountains and southeastern Arizona. Not looking at quite the coverage that we have out there today as high pressure builds in, but moisture will be on the increase towards the later part of the week through the weekend. And that means that valley rainstorm chances go up slightly, and across the state we're looking for more showers and storms as well. So as you look with me tomorrow, Thursday, no rain chances for us. We're still pretty dry into Friday as we look at those dew point temperatures, but can't rule out maybe a stray storm developing, especially if some outflow winds begin to move in. Over the weekend, those dew points climb up into the 60s. By Sunday, we'll bring those rain chances up over the weekend to 20%, and isolated lingering chances early next week right around 10%. Also into Monday and Tuesday. First, we have to deal with the heat before those rain chances come, and we see a slight drop in those highs. We have excessive heat warnings in place for the valley across much Maricopa County, Pinal County. Out west includes Quartzsite, I-10. If you're going to be traveling the next couple of days, again, expect very hot high temperatures. 111 again today out in Phoenix. Here's the plan tonight. Heading into the 80s valley wide, so a pretty warm start tomorrow morning. Afternoon high temperatures, we climb quickly. 111 today, then we're up to 113 as we get into Wednesday afternoon with a few breezes between 5 and 15 miles per hour, and expecting triple digits right through 10 o'clock as we get into that evening Wednesday forecast. No rain out there tomorrow. 63 in Prescott tonight. You'll stay dry. 49 in Flagstaff, 73 Sedona, 66 tomorrow morning in Payson, with highs topping out above 100 in Sedona, 102, 98 Prescott, 116 in Bullhead City, 111 in Quartzsite and Gila Bend, looking at 110, with the valley again headed up to 113, 114 on Thursday. Very isolated rain chance in the forecast Friday, Saturday, Sunday into next week. A little drop in those highs, though still will be hot, closer to average next week, below 110.